Hi, today starts with a little conversation. I was detailing a car of a customer outside, and my neighbor passed by with his dog. And he told me he has an old-timer sitting in his garage, and a Saab 900 Turbo from 1992. He hasn't driven it for years because he wants to sell it. But the reason why he wants to sell it, he's a retired school teacher, and he doesn't feel comfortable anymore on the busy Belgian roads. So he asked me if I could help him sell his car, which I saw as an opportunity because I never sold a car online. So I told him, yeah, of course, we can take some pictures of the car and we will put it out there. So he interrupted me and he told me he has no idea how the internet works. So I'm very happy to help him sell his car, but I suggested to first detail the car, make it showroom ready again before we take pictures and before we put it on the internet. I checked it out once because the old-timer is sitting right next to me in the garage box next to us. So I'm gonna go there again and I'm gonna try to start it. Let's go. Oh, nice. Ooh, I see so many swirl marks. Ah, nice. The wipers for the lights. It's super cool. Nice car, man. Fuck. Completely dead. It's a really cool car. 137,000 kilometers. Great leather seats. The back. Nice. Really looking forward of detailing this car. Okay, I'm gonna go pop the hood. Check out the battery. Maybe I can charge it. We'll see. Tires. So. Look at this. Whew. Here's a battery. This is all inherited from my dad. My father was a huge car freak. He worked for Formula 1. He was in the RACB. It's like a Royal Automobile Club in Belgium. He was a pit marshal in the pit lanes of Spa-Francorchamps, Zolder, Silverstone. All this one. The car was not responding to the battery charger, so I'm now gonna disconnect the battery and I will get a new one. Let's take it out. A new battery. So, what else I'm gonna do now? Batteries connected. I'm gonna add some gasoline, like 5 to 10 liters, just to mix up the old one with the new one, and then we'll try to start it. Nice, we got power. Nice, baby. Cool. That noise is amazing. I'm gonna go and take her for a little spin so I can add some air in the tires and to see if she runs. Nice car, drives really nice, really good car actually. Oh, I love it. To be on the road after a couple of years, I must say she drives really well. It's a fantastic vehicle, Swedish made, Saab. Wow. It's crazy, yeah? After, let's say 2-3 years in a garage, I just added a new battery, add some fuel, add some oil, because I'm not able to change the oil because I don't have a carpet. But wow, I like it. I know a place where I can get some air for my tires, my neighbor's tires. It runs so smooth, it's such a pleasure to drive. So, no luck. It was not working. I go someplace else. So I went to a local garage to put some air in the tires because I don't have it. I took it for a ride and it runs smooth. It runs nice. Hear the noise. Swedish power. Okay, can't wait to start detailing this beauty. Catch you soon.